Wow! See friends, here there are arranged so many things. Oops! Oh, I forgot. Today is our activity day. Yay! Friends, today is our activity. Come on, we'll see what activity day for us. We'll ask ma'am what activity today. Come on. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hi students, today is your activity day. Come on, let us see what activity do you have. Today you have two activities. One is shloka and another is drawing. Okay, before going to drawing, we'll say the shloka first. Come on, let's join your hands. Close your eyes and start the shloka with me. Yes. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri, Guruve Namaha. So, slowly open your eyes. Yes, here we done the shloka. Now it's your second activity, that is coloring. Once again we are going to do the coloring activity. But you know from what we are going to do the coloring? Dun, dun, dun. Today we are going to do the coloring using your forks. What? Forks. Now you tell me, where do you will use these forks? Yes, you will use these forks while eating the fruits, Maggi, noodles and some other food items too. So, but today we are not eating food or any Maggi. Today we are going to do using this coloring. Today we are going to do coloring using the fork. Come on, let us see how to do it. Come on. Children, here I have taken some colors. So what color is it? So this is red color. Good. And then what color is it? Very good. Yellow. And then pink. And then green. Yes. Now guess what we are going to guess what? Today we are going to do the flowering activity. How to do the flowering? Okay, I will show you. Children, take one brush. Students, here I am using paintbrush, fork and some colors. So now I am going to apply the red color on the back side of the fork. Okay, see like this. Dip the brush in red color and apply like this. Okay, come on, we'll see. So here we have taken, so check, okay, it is proper or not. So here, hold your paper like this and then apply like this. Yes, here we done one color. Like that. Now I am going to use, so after that, you will wash your brush. Okay, then take another spoon and now I am going to use the pink color. Same, apply back side of the fork. Okay, then Can you take like this? So we are going to apply it here. Here we done. Next, I'm going to use the another color, that is yellow. What color? Yellow. So see here. Yes, see? So here I'm going to so this is another color. Like that, once again I'm taking my red color and here I'm doing another flower. See, like this. Hold the paper like this. Yes. Okay. Here we done some flowers. See, this picture is very incomplete. So now what you need? Now you need your index finger. So we are going to do stem by using our index finger. Come on, shall we start now? Students, we have done some flowers. Okay, now I am going to use my index finger to draw the stem. See, I am going to dip my index finger in green color and I am going to draw now stem. See, like this. So once again. Yes, here we done. Another stem. Wow, now it looks very beautiful, no? Yes. After doing that, see children, we have done flower and stems. Now what is incomplete? Now what is missing here? Yes, now leaves are missing here. Children, what is this? Do you know what is this? These are the spoon, which is made up of wood. When do you will use these spoons? Yes, while eating the ice cream. And today I am not going to eat ice cream, but I am using this spoon to make leaf. Okay, come on, now dip your ice cream stick in the plate where you have taken green color. Okay, see, like this. Brush it only upper portion. See, like this. Then do like this. Here one leaf and here another leaf. So once again brush it. Then again use. Okay. So children, if you don't have this spoon, don't worry. We have our thumb. What is this? What finger is this? We have our thumb. So you are going to dip your thumb in the coloring. And now you are going to make leaf from your thumb. See, like this. Ta-da! Here we have done leaf. Children, in the flower garden, what are things we can see there? Flowers and some grass also we can see there. So now we are going to do grass. So again I am using here fork and applying green color on back side of the fork again. So children, take like this and see. So again apply the green color. So, wow, children. Dun, dun, dun. Students, here I done flower garden. See children, this is my flower garden. Here in the flower garden, there are many flowers. Red flower, pink flower and yellow. And see, I have done some grasses here. So this is my beautiful garden. I done my beautiful garden using fork. I done my beautiful garden using fork and using spoon, wooden spoon, and then by using thumb finger and index finger. While to draw the stem, I used index finger. To draw the leaves, I used thumb finger and this spoon, ice cream spoon. And I used some colors and paintbrush. What is this? Paintbrush. Finally, I done this beautiful garden using these things. Children, now it's your time. So you are going to send me the snap of your beautiful flower garden by using fork, paintbrush, index finger, thumb finger, and if you have this, for using this stick also you can do, okay? And children, you are going to send me the snap of your beautiful flower garden, okay? Done? Bye!